Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will address about most important topic. It is all about how we can do practice speaking, and today we are going to discuss about practice speaking. So for practice speaking we have a many resources to do practice speaking. Even you can talk with yourself, and also we have a many application where we can talk with a co-learner through this application. And if you are able to afford money, then you can go on Clappingo, English Airy, or and Camly, these kinds of platform. And if you don't want to pay money and you want to learn this language by yourself or without paying money, you want to talk with a co-learner, then it is also possible nowadays. So if you talk about talking by ourselves, then we can stand just in front of mirror. We can speak by ourselves, like standing in front of mirror. What's happened, like we can see our own self, we can see our body movement, everything, how we are presenting ourselves, we can see everything. And that's going to make you so much comfortable, so much of confidence. And if you talk about uh, recording your own voice, so recording, it is also important. When you record your own voice in a mobile phone, it is going to help you to understand where you are making a mistake and where you will have to work on it. So record your own voice for 5 to 10 minutes, and it is going to help you to identify your mistake, and you can rectify where exactly you are making a mistake or where you have to work on it and what you have to solve. So everything you are going to find out when you record them. And another things, even you can do practice while sleeping. It is a called thinking in English. While lying on a bed, you can think in English, because thinking in English, it is also so much of importance, because when you think, it is going to help you to organize your thought. It is going to help you to how you can present yourself in front of other people. No matter you are just thinking in your mind, but same thing it is going to apply when you will speak in front of other people, when you will present yourself in front of 1,000 people. So think in English while sleeping, think in English whenever you will go out and walk on a street. Try to think and put earphone and listen. And even if you want to talk with a co-learner, so we have some application where you can go on and you can talk with a co-learner for 30 minutes, and some application which are going to give you free talk time unlimited. So one of the amazing application, which is CB. So CB, it will give you 30-minute talk time with a co-learner, and you don't have to pay money for that, because it is a free application and you can use every day. And it is one of the amazing application I have ever came across. And I have been also doing these kinds of activities in my daily basis. And if we talk about my fluency journey, so I was really not able to speak like that just a few months back. But when I have indulged myself into English environment, then I started to speak just little bit. I started to speak and even share my own idea on camera and even in front of mirror, because being as a camera conscious and camera shy, you would be not able to present yourself, you would be not able to record your own voice. And yes, I was that kind of person. I used to feel camera, it is a kind of my fear. But after doing same thing again and again for month, I got habitual with the camera. And now camera, I can say, it is helping me to record my voice, it is helping me to make a video and share with you and share with all learner who really want to learn and really want to improve their communication skill. And don't feel fear to making a mistake, because mistake, it is a part of our learning journey. If you are making mistake, it means like you are doing practicing to learn this language, because without making a mistake, who become fluent speaker? No anyone. So if you want to learn this language, you'll have to adapt your mistake, you'll have to be resilient, and that's going to make you fluent. And people, they have a fear like making a mistake. Even I used to feel fear so much, like when I used to make mistake, I used to think still I am not improving, still I am as a beginner. But I accept that, and I started to like moving, like no matter like how much I am making a mistake, I just kept moving. And after a few months, after, I can say it is a long journey, it took 1 year to get that much of fluence. So I kept learning, I kept practicing, and so I started to grab different opportunity from different person and even some platform, and that's how I have improved that much of language. So if you want to become fluent speaker, if you want to speak perfectly, then you will have to do practice regularly. It's no matter how much of uh, effort, how much of like time you will have to dedicate toward this language. You will have to just keep that much of time and do practicing, and gradually you are going to improve, and you are going to see your result as you want. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and share with your friends so they can also take help from this video. Thank you.